Thank you for stopping and taking a look at our inventory today. Today we're going to be going over the 246 RLSWE Cougar Keystone 2018. A really nice coach. We'll go ahead and do a quick little walk around on it. As you're going to see on the outside, you have a lot of storage with an outside shower and auto leveling system in the front. As you walk on in, as you're going to be able to see in the rear, you're going to have the reclining setup directly in front of the TV. Okay, that way you have a nice view. One thing I really like about this unit is that there's windows everywhere, making it nice and open, so if you want to sit back here, read a book, hang out, have a coffee in the morning, really nice setup. As you walk in, you're going to see that there is an abundance of storage. Okay, you have a nice little pantry with storage under these boots, and then also storage in the cabinets. Everywhere that you look, there's a storage compartment. So as far as finding somewhere to store something, you're not going to have an issue with this. You have a nice lighting setup. Okay, as you walk up to the room, one of the nice things about this unit is that you have the bathroom separate from the shower, so with a nice large shower, so if you need to shower and somebody else needs to use the restroom, that's not going to stop somebody from being able to shower or use the restroom at the same time. So really nice setup. Did a great job to separate everything. Makes it to where you can really see everything from the kitchen into the room. Okay, if you have any pets, anything like that, you'll have a visibility on them. So once again, really nice setup. It is a little bit shorter than most, but what you're gonna see is that they did a really great job on the layout to make sure that they give you all your necessities that you need in order to travel for an extended periods of time. One thing you're going to notice with this is that it does come with the 3 burner cooktop. You have a really nice microwave, large size refrigerator, lots of counter space, and as you can see, you have 2 sinks. So once again, really nice setup. Once again, thank you so much for taking a look at our inventory. My name is Gaston Chavarine. If you have any questions about this unit or any unit that we have in our inventory, please feel free to give me a call, 541-810-2202.